Hello, everybody. I'm Jorge from Pleexy, and today I'm going to show you how to connect your Notion with your Todoist with projects and tasks. So this is a bit tricky because we have had a lot of questions about it, so that's why I'm making this video. So let's get straight to it. All right, so for today's demo, we have this demo account. We have a Notion database that I'm going to create with projects and tasks, and then we have the inbox. So when you create your connection, you get this page, and what it's telling us here is that Pleexy can filter tasks by Notion project. The projects and tasks template, right? And Pleexy can't filter tasks by your own project structure. So what this means is that only from Notion's templates is where Pleexy is going to be able to read your projects. This is because, well, right now I'm in Notion's documentation, and here it clearly says that the public API does not currently support linked databases, which means relational databases are not included in the public API, and that's the information that Pleexy has access to. So having said that, I'm going to show you how to create a projects and tasks template so that Pleexy recognizes it. So before we create the connection, we should create the projects, right? So here I'm going to templates, right? And here I'm going to search for tasks. Projects and tasks. Sorry, I don't know, I got lost, right? So I'm going to add this to my workspace. I'm going to add it in private because this is a demo and I don't want to generate noise. And here we have projects and tasks. I'm going to keep it simple and just use this. You can then customize it however you want. But then if we go back, we are going to create the connection, right? And then when I select the pages, I'm going to select the projects and tasks page that I just created, right? So cool. Now that we're here, Notion API sometimes is a bit slow. So we have to wait maybe a minute or so. Okay, there you go. There it's synced. I'm going to start syncing this because, as I said before, this might take a minute or so each and all that stuff. I'm going to stop the video and I will be back when they have synced. Okay, so see you very soon. Hello. We are back. It took a few minutes to sync each of projects and tasks. If we want to work with both, we need to sync these two. So we need to click on this and click on this and wait for this green check mark to appear. Once it's done, then we can continue with our connection. So yeah, if it takes a bit of time, 10 minutes, it's a lot when you're watching a screen, right? When you're seeing a screen. So I would recommend you just click sync. If it's taking a bit of time, do a task that you have to do. Maybe call somebody or answer an email, something like that, and then come back and it will be done. So if we continue, then we have 0 pages found. Okay. And this is because the default in Pleexy is to sync the tasks that are assigned to you, right? For this exercise, I'm just going to say sync the tasks assigned to anyone, and then we can see that 4 pages were found. this is because we don't want you to sync a database and then just have like a dump of tasks in your Todoist, because then it's going to be unusable. So this gives you control over what you want to sync. And if I wanted to sync by projects, so only the tasks from project 2, for example, I would select this. I don't want to do this because I'm going to show you a bit later, but this is a filtering that you can do, right? Now in the task template, you can decide how you want to create your task. For example, I'm going to leave this here, but I'm going to add, I don't know, I'm going to add an emoji. And some plain text, some default text. So all of the tasks that get created with this are going to have this structure, right? So they're going to be called rocket emoji dash my tasks dash the database name and dash send mockups. I'm syncing the due date with the property due. And if you see here, the property is called due. Then there are no labels, because there's no property here. I'm not going to create it because it takes a few minutes to sync. So I'm going to leave it to you if you want to do it, but you can add it if you want. There is a description called comment and priority called priority. And the default priority is this one, right? So for example, I'm going to choose not to sync priority because it takes another thing. And then I'm going to move on, and I am going to create my tasks in multiple projects. So all your Notion projects are going to be synced as Todoist projects. And I am going to select this test list that I created, or project. This is a project, right? So what I would expect is to have inside test, I'm going to create project 1 and 2, right? And yeah, that's it. Okay, let's continue. And it sometimes takes a bit of time to sync. Okay, this was very quick. That's amazing. I'm going to show you what has happened, right? So as I promised, we created project 1 with task 1 and task 2. It's called my tasks. I mean, this is the database name and that. And yeah, I want to show you. So here we can see, sorry, let me close this. We can see that project 1 has task 1 and task 2, and project 2 has task 3 and task 4, right? And yeah, basically that's how you can sync your projects with Pleexy between Notion and Todoist. I hope this is useful. Please, if you have any comments, questions, whatever, let me of this, please contact us via our in-app chat. We are always here to help. And yeah, enjoy it and have a great day. See you. Bye bye.